everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and today I want to show you a fun, not only activity, but a fun story that you can read for Earth Day or anytime you want to practice recycling or talk about what it means to recycle, reduce, reuse, and all that fun stuff, especially perhaps for Earth Day. So let's begin with our story, Earth Day. Let's celebrate the Earth during Earth Day. Vamos a festejar la Tierra durante el Día de la Tierra. I learned to take care of the environment by recycling. Yo aprendo a cuidar al medio ambiente al reciclar. And then here you have a little matching that you can do. Bolsa, reciclar, tierra. So recycling, bag, earth. And here what you can do is different ways. You can do it this way, or you can laminate this and then use it many times. That's a great thing to do that as well. I also want to mention that all the activities with these little cute mini books for the holidays or any particular special events that you do is also an answer key included. I learned to reuse and reduce to help save Earth. Yo aprendo a reutilizar y reducir para ayudar a la Tierra. And here's a little bingo, and I said there is a key that goes along with each one of this. And what you can do is not only just use it as a bingo, but you can use it as matching with the words of each one of these. I learned to save plants. Compost helps plants grow. Yo aprendo a salvar a las plantas. El abono ayuda a las plantas a crecer. And then at the end, it has a cute little activity there that you can practice on writing, such as the earth, tierra, bicycle, bicicleta, water, agua. So what are some of the things that it can actually help to reduce pollution? What is other things that you can help in recycling? Or what are some things that you can do to reuse materials to help the earth? And those are some great activities that you can do as you are reading. You can spend time to read that as well. So cute little mini book, great for introduction or great for young learners that need just a little bit of information, and then they can move to much bigger or more challenging or a longer text, and that's a great way to do that as well. So with this activity, we're going to do this other hands-on activity. As you can see, I do have some hands here. But what are some things that you can help the earth? And some of the things that you might often hear is these triple R's, RRR. What does that mean? And it means recycle, reduce, and reuse. So reciclar, reducir, y reutilizar. And so what does that mean is that there's different types, just like I was talking in the book. What are some things you can do to recycle, like paper? You can recycle paper, you can recycle perhaps other types of materials as well, like tin cans or soda cans. You can do that as well. And what are some things you can do to reduce? For instance, you can use less water to perhaps, of course, not consume a lot of water. You can wash dishes with less time, for instance, brush your teeth with less amount of water, and so on. And what are some things that you can reuse? For instance, glass containers are very hard to decompose, right? So what you can do is, what are some other ways that you can use glass? So you can talk about some of those things here. And then what you can do is also, I'll show you, we're going to recreate a little bit of what the earth is all about. And then what you can do is actually make a collage of these different types, and then we'll paste these together. So I have here some paint, some just color paint here, and then a sponge brush here. So all I'm going to do is just dip this in here, and then I'm just going to brush this in here. And like I said, since this is for young learners, you can make a template of the world here if you wanted to, but I think what's best here is to allow them to practice what that is as you are painting, or not just painting, but you are actually adding what are those colors of the earth. Of course, the earth is mostly blue if you see it from space, but it also has those green spots, which is what makes the earth so special, right? The water and the grass areas, the land, all of that makes it a very unique place to live. So you can do something like this You can add more green if you want to, but that is what our earth is mostly composed of: the oceans and the beautiful grasslands that allow all the wonderful environment that we need to take care of, right? We want to take care of those for those that come after us, for future generations. So that's something that you can do. You can let it dry. I'm just going to do this very slowly there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to staple my hands here. And I'm going to staple this here. I'm going to start here with the one in the middle so that I know how much room I have. So I can staple it here or here. I'm going to staple it here so that I have my reduce, reuse right there. And then I have my recycle part of my earth that I want to take care of. And then I have my reduce right here. I'm just going to quickly staple this here. And so as you can see, I have my earth and I have my three helping hands there that allow me to help in taking care of the earth, of recycle, reciclar, reusar, reutilizar, reuse, and then reduce, reducir. So I have that there. And that goes great. And if you wanted to, you can put here helping the earth, or you can put some actually collages here of how to help the earth and the environment. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I think it's a great way to, perhaps if you are doing a lesson on Earth Day or recycling or any other type of taking care of the environment, it's a great way to do so. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you join me for another fun bilingual story or perhaps another fun activity. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.